Well, I replaced those capacitors on the logic board on my 3M M64 and the thing actually pulls tape. Needs some work and adjustment, but it's working. I have to put a piece of paper over this lamp in the center, which triggers an optical sensor. It's supposed to the tape is supposed to block the light from the optical sensor, but something's not right there, so I've got to help it out. But tape is threaded. The reels are actually in balance right now. There's a resistive load. We've got a slight take-up tension and hold back tension, and they're keeping each other in check. Don't know if it'll be that way at the opposite end of the reel, but and then I've got a thing where there's a little loop developing when I hit play. You can see that, but I think that has to do with I think that has to do with the timing of when the pinch rollers kick in. There are dash pots that adjust a delay and when these actually contact the capstan and how the tape is driven. And dog, you're eating my paper. Thank you very much. There's some adjusting that needs to happen there, but it works. There. There's just some adjustment needed. This is at 15 IPS. I'm not going to do 30 IPS until I get that little loop adjusted. And I think the supply reel table is too low. So there's plenty of things to adjust, but it's working. And fast forward is working. And rewind is working also, but it's slow, and you can see the tape is rubbing pretty bad. It just takes a little while to get up to speed. Anyway, I'm excited that it's working. I couldn't get it to do that before I replaced those caps. There was a really bad loop that would develop here, and tape would go all over the place. So the other thing I did, we probably can't see, there was oh no, it's still there. There's a little guide that's been added to these aftermarket heads that are in here, and that should not be there. That I need to remove that and adjust some other things, but anyway, it lives. At least the transport. The electronics, that remains to be seen.